Don Dada to the line, Don Dada to the line, Don Dada,
Man, Don Dada. This guy Omale, the guy they do well, honestly. The guy they make us proud. He make the country proud. The guy also carry Nigeria, they go far. Damn, the guy is good. The guy is good, honestly. I like that guy. I like him.
Guy, producer, calm down, bros. What do you want to tell me about Omale, bros? What do you want to tell me about Omale? Guy, calm down, make I tell you something. See this guy, sha. Oh boy, Omale na guy where we say me and him, guy. No be today we know each other.
Don Dada, you don't start again. Where your Omale take meet? How your Omale take meet, Don Dada?
Oh boy, calm down. See, Omale na guy where we say, if I call him now, he go show. See this guy, sha. Person where we say me and him be one day last week, sef, they try do one or two things.
You keep
Oh boy,
quiet.
guy, calm down. Omale na boy where we say, I mean they won't show and wait for music, sef.
Omale.
And they tell him how fast. See this guy, sha.
Oh boy, Don, you get level.
Producer, guy, I had so many friends.
Now today I confirm. See, you get level, guy.
Make I boss your head. Calm down first. Make I boss your head now. You see this song where I dey work on? You see this new project where I just record? Bros, no worry. I go feature am for this song nah. See this guy. I go feature am now. Wait, make I call am. You go see him go come in this studio. Nah.
My studio. Omale they come.
See this guy, sha. He no even know me. This guy dey answer Don Dada for nothing.
Will you keep quiet?
You dey serious, Don Dada?
Omale.
Child.
Omale Alpha. Oh boy, calm down. I dey hear your greeting. Calm down. Alpha, where you dey? Where guy? They come down my guy studio. Come. Just come meet me there, Nana. See this guy. Just come meet me there, Nana. They wait for you. Correct guy.
Continue.
Oh boy, don't worry yourself. Omale dey road. In dey near this place.
Omale is coming to my studio, Don Dada. Don Dada. Hey, God. Wait. See, I need to call my people. Make all of them they come also. Where my phone dey? Hey,
Calm down. See this guy, sha.
Don
Correct
Dada,
guy.
you want bring Omale come my studio?
Yeah,
Hey,
it's
God.
God,
Hey, Don Dada. This I always knew that you are a superstar.
Na my guy, na my day one nigga, bros.
Hello? Alpha, where you dey? Omale dey come my studio. See this guy. Omale dey come my studio today. Hey God. Don, you na my man.
Correct guy. He don't show.
Omale don show. Hey,
Don Dada. My guy. Omale.
Jesus.
Omale, my man. I don't show. Don Dada.
Bros, Alpha. Where Omale? Na you be Omale manager.
Hey, bros.
Where Omale dey, bros?
Yeah. Na me be Omale. That Kogi boy.
Jesus is Lord.
My guy, wait.
Child.
Kogibo.
Oh my God.
Omale Kogi.
Don Dada to the line, Don Dada.
See, my brother, as you watch that video, you know like oh yeah, click the like button, the thumbs up, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Correct guy. Don Dada say so.
Don Dada to the line, Don Dada.